Are some other new ones I'm getting ready to list. Here's a little short crystal cluster. This is rose quartz and black obsidian. I ran out of resin to finish the base of it, so it's just a little short one. But it's awful cute. I might even do more of those because I really like how that looks. It's just cute. And then here is another one of these cool round. Man, this guy's heavy. I went crazy on the metal on this. This one is carnelian, and I can't remember. It is probably a clear quartz in there. Tons of brass. This thing is heavy. Lots of copper-plated BBs, steel-coated BBs, copper-plated steel BBs, aluminum, and tons of brass. And then I got a dragon head mold. I made this one. It didn't turn out as a glossy finish. I use a high gloss resin, and this mold did not allow it to have the glossy look. So he might be the only one I make of these, but he's still a cool dragon. He's just not glossy. But this is lapis lazuli and howlite, and probably clear quartz is in there. So anyway, he's cool. I just wish he would have been glossy. So that's those guys.